Sell by skill or sell by luck? Okay, so this is like November. Today is November 21st. Okay, so a lot of you are meeting with a lot of difficulty in selling. You're still meeting a lot of difficulty in selling, and the reason is because you are going into the dead zone. Okay, the dead zone is going to happen now and soon. Okay, so and the reason why you are going into a dead zone is that the school holidays are coming, the holidays are coming, the Chinese New Year is coming, and most importantly, right, you see, this is the question I want to put up to you. Like, are you selling by luck or are you selling by skill? Okay, it's not like you give it to your agent to sell, then you say, oh, then I don't know, it really depends on my agent. It's not true, because I realized that in the industry there's two kind of agents. One kind of agents take their instructions very clearly from their clients, meaning that they don't even provide a strategy. The client will just say, oh, I want to sell this amount, like that, then the agent will just put, and then they will wait. So some agents, they will analyze, they will give a full report, they'll give an analysis to the client, help the client understand what is the price to sell, what is the strategy to sell, what is the price strategy to sell, what is the marketing to sell. Like for example, recently I sold Siesta was sold by another agent or another agent, like 2 or 3 agents for like a couple of months. So what we did is we did a very nice video of the place, and I when I say nice video, right, I don't think that a video, like I see a lot of agents telling talking in the video saying that this is a beautiful condo, the MRT is 3 minutes away. Okay, this is not the kind of videos that I feel, because you see, when this is my direction of a buyer behavior, a property buyer behavior. A property buyer, when they want to buy a certain condo, right, or a certain HDB, they actually know the location very well before they can see your unit. You wouldn't have someone that don't know Punggol well, or don't know that they want to buy Punggol, then just come and see your unit, then buy Punggol without knowing the location well. So most of the property buyers, when they come and buy a certain property, they'll know the place very well first. Then what that impress and attract them to come and buy, right, there's 2 things. One is price, one is the photos and videos. So some units, right, they don't have videos, they only have photos. Some units, because they're beautiful, you see, when the units are not so beautiful, right, you have to see whether you should take a video or which part of you should take photos of. Because if the unit is not so beautiful, I don't know why you still want to take like pictures of the not so beautiful part, then hope that people seeing the not so beautiful part will come. I don't understand that. So I would look at the condo and look at the unit. If the unit is very good, I'll take a video. When I say I take a video, it has to be like in YouTube they call it a B-roll. It has to be a very cinematic, a very short video, maybe only 10 to 15 seconds, to display the property in a very mysterious way, meaning that you don't get a full view, you don't get a fast view. You see, I have my 360 camera. Actually, I can take a 360 photo of a condo, of a unit, but I don't. Why? Because you see, if I take a 360 photo of the unit or 360 video of the unit, then why do the buyer even want to come and view the place? It's like 都看完了嘛, they already view finish the place. Why do they even want to come and visit the place? So I want to create this. I want to entice them. I want to make it very attractive. When they see the video, like, whoa, I need to go and visit this place. They have to have this feeling. So all this strategy, right, to me is called sell by skill. And I think a lot of time, right, whether is it sell by skill, sell by luck, you have to understand that the skill, and of course you engage an agent, you want the agent to sell by skill. If you want the agent to sell by luck, right, then don't blame the agent from not selling the place away. So recently I have this customer which I'm very, very disappointed about, because they got me to sell this property at this price, which I told them that it's not possible. Okay, then in the end, right, I told them that yes, I can help you market at this price, but I hope that, let's say after 3 months you still don't get it, when you lower the price, you'll continue to let me market. So they agree to it, but this thing didn't happen. Okay, so basically they changed their agent and all these things. So you see, this is the reason why there's a lot of listings that come to me and I didn't want to take it, because as an agent, right, as a consultant, I'll say, I won't use the word agent, because some agents are, when you come to them, any unit with any price you give them, they will sell. They'll tell them, oh, okay, I'll do. Whether they can sell it away, they don't know. But for me, I'm very particular about the units that I'm selling and what price the owner wants, because from there I will know whether is it achievable. Even if it's not achievable, I will look at it and tell the owner what I think is achievable. And of course, what I meant by achievable is not something like lower than market price or something that at market price, you know. And I get comments on like on some of my videos and say that, hey, if the location is good, the price is good, sure sell, you know. Of course, if every property is like that, then you don't need a real estate agent in the industry already. Okay, so to me, it's not about good location or good price. It's not. It's about being realistic, about being reasonable, about how you can come up with a strategy to give the best strategy to sell this property off. And as a consultant, when a customer look for me to sell a place, I'm investing my time and my money, because I'm paying everything first. I'm paying all the marketing costs. So I'm investing all these things into the property. So actually, to be frank, right, I can provide analysis to clients to tell them how much they can sell away for their property. It's not a difficult thing. And you see, selling a property is a whole package. It's not just take picture, determine the price, then put online. It's not like that, you know. So I just want to put this forward to a lot of people, because there's a lot of misunderstanding on selling a property. And if you're not selling a property, if your property is still not sold off a few months ago and it's coming to December, and all I can say is good luck, you know. There's something wrong with your strategy. There's something wrong with the way you're selling it, because December, January, February is going to be the worst period you can sell your place. Actually, if you experience it, November, you already start having very, very, very little viewings. So get the right consultant, come up with the right strategy. Okay, don't waste your time, because prices may not be better tomorrow, prices may not be better next month, prices may not be better next year. So I would say that you want to get the most out of your selling. Look at the property price. If this is the price that you want, okay, sell within that 1-2 months, because that will be the most realistic price that going to meet your target. If you continue to sell it for 6 months, 8 months, a year, you'll realize that the initial price that you want never be achieved, because of time has pushed the price down, you know. And especially when it's in November, January, you realize that there's lesser buyers, there's lesser competition. When there's lesser buyers around, you won't be able to achieve high price, because you will have less viewings also. Okay, and it's actually harder to sell in this time. But it's not that it's impossible, it's just harder. You have to come up with a stronger strategy. You have more competitors around. You realize that competition is stronger. So eventually, if you watch my episode, why my house still not sold, okay, you go to my channel, click on playlist, you go and watch why my house not sold. Then you try to relate what is happening to your current property selling. Then you will know whether you're doing it at the right direction or not. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button. I hope you like it, and I see you next time.